Beekeeper Abia Huchin calls it the Mayans' greatest treasure, the same color but more valuable than gold. It's called shunankab, Mayan for honey, produced here in tree trunks by tiny bees. They don't sting, and they make the most prized honey in the Yucatan Peninsula jungle.
We use it for ceremonies, to ask for rain, but it also has medicinal properties.
The ancient Mayans even mixed honey with dirt as cement for their famous pyramids. Today, more than 20,000 Mayan families produce honey from far more aggressive bees. Abia's husband, Feliciano Ucan, uses smoke to keep them from attacking. The honey produced here is extremely sought after and fetches a very high price on the European market. But the livelihood of the families who produce this depends not just on its exquisite taste and aroma, but on their ability to keep their honey pure. And that's why these nearby soya plantations have become the enemy. Genetically modified and sprayed with highly toxic herbicides, both sold by the agro-multinational Monsanto, the crops are providing bees with what beekeepers describe as contaminated pollen.
They're deforesting our jungle and threatening to close our market because the Europeans won't buy genetically modified honey with traces of herbicides. And that's why we are demanding Monsanto's license to sell soya seeds be revoked.
Yucatan Peninsula beekeepers and supporters made a final appeal to Mexico's Supreme Court this week on the eve of its ruling.
The court has the power to limit transgenic crops that have the potential to impact health, the environment, and in this case, the cultural heritage of the Mayan communities.
A culture closely linked to what some call the nectar of the gods. Today, pitted against arguably the world's most powerful agrochemical corporation. Lucia Newman, Al Jazeera, Campeche, Mexico.